It's time for another cool tools review. This time, we're looking at the Makita Impact Gold Ultramagnetic Bit Holder. A few weeks back, I showed you guys this Dewalt right angle drill adapter with this neat magnetic system for holding your screw in place. Well, I like the magnetic screw holder so much that I went looking for a solid, inexpensive version just for drilling straight ahead. There are a bunch out there, but one of the most popular brand name options is this one from Makita. It's a simple two-part system that uses a metal bit holder that can take these standard shorter bits. A plastic collar then slips over the holder with an embedded neodymium magnet ring at the tip. The design leaves just enough room here so that the bit can fit into your screw, while the magnetic collar holds the screw on tight. This way, instead of your screw dangling precariously from a weak magnetic bit, it feels more like a fixed extension of your drill or impact driver. It also means that it's less challenging to get your screw to go in straight, and you don't have to hold the screw in place to get started, which means that you can work faster. The magnetic tip is ideal for flathead drywall screws, but it also works with some other rounded types that I have, and it also works just as well for Torx head screws. And when you want to change out the bit, you just pull the collar off and swap it out. You can grab the Makita Ultramagnetic Bit Holder using the Amazon link in the description, and you can see thousands of reader recommended tools like this at cool-tools.org.